Hi guys, for the Korean noodles, first we'll saute the garlic in oil in 2 tablespoons of oil. I've already boiled the noodles. You can take noodles of any company. I've taken Knorr. Just boil the noodles. Then we're gonna add ketchup. And I've added soya sauce as well. Soya sauce and ketchup. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sugar and salt, like half teaspoon of sugar and approx half teaspoon of salt. I'm showing that I've added soya sauce as well. Then we're gonna add red chili flakes. I added a little bit of salt. You can also add it if you like your food a little salty. Then we're gonna mix it. This is the easiest recipe, you guys. Then we're gonna add honey. The normal Samyang packet costs you around 400 to 500, but this is the most easiest recipe, guys. Trust me. Mix it and voila, you're good to go.